Once you've spoken to the universe correctly, an undeniable shift begins to manifest in your life. This video will explore the profound connection between us and the cosmos, focusing on the art of communication that transcends mere words, tapping into the universal language of intentions, emotions, and inner truths. Understanding this dialogue is not about commanding or demanding. It's about aligning your voice with your deepest desires and the rhythms of the universe. Let's start on this exploration, learning to speak so the universe can not only hear but respond. Communication with the universe doesn't occur through spoken language as we use in daily conversations. Instead, the universe responds to vibrations, the non-verbal expressions of our feelings, thoughts, and energies. These are the true languages of the cosmos. To begin speaking this language fluently, we first need to recognize the signs it employs. These can be feelings that suddenly envelop you, coincidences you might encounter, or unexpected opportunities that suddenly arise. For instance, consider how a moment of inspiration strikes you, often when you're relaxed and open. This is the universe communicating through creativity. Another sign might be the recurring appearance of certain animals or symbols in your life, which could carry specific spiritual significance. The key is to observe and reflect on these signs without rushing to dismiss them as mere coincidences. To effectively communicate, align your vibrations with what you truly seek. This starts with clarity. You must be clear about what you want, not what you think you should want or what others want for you, but what your true self desires. Ask yourself, what brings me peace? What stirs my passion? These questions guide you toward authentic desires, crafting messages that the universe can resonate with. Moving deeper into our communication, we encounter the power of intention. Intention is the soul's compass. It guides your thoughts, words, and actions towards a defined purpose. Setting an intention is like drawing a map for the universe, showing it where you wish to go. But how do we set intentions that speak clearly to the universe? It begins with specificity and positivity. For every intention, be as specific as possible. Instead of intending, I want to be happy, refine it to, I want to find joy in my daily work, or I want to feel more connected to my loved ones. This specificity in your intention sends a laser-focused message to the universe, enhancing the likelihood of receiving exactly what you seek. Moreover, your intentions must be rooted in positive outcomes, focusing on what you want to occur, not on what you hope to avoid. For example, rather than intending, I don't want to feel stressed, frame it as, I intend to experience calm and peace throughout my day. This positive framework elevates your vibrational frequency, making your communications more potent and direct. To communicate effectively with the universe, alignment with your genuine desires is essential. This alignment means that your intentions must resonate deeply with your personal values and the essence of who you are. It's about connecting with the core of your being and understanding what truly matters to you. This clarity will amplify the messages you send to the universe, making them more powerful and directive. Start by taking time for self-reflection. Consider what makes you feel fulfilled and excited about life. These feelings are indicators of your true desires. It's important to distinguish these from fleeting wants or influences from external pressures, which can often lead us astray. By focusing on desires that sync with your core values, you create a consistent and authentic frequency that the universe can respond to more readily. This alignment isn't just about ensuring your intentions are clear, it also involves preparing yourself to receive what the universe sends back. When your desires are in harmony with your actions and thoughts, you create a channel through which the universe can deliver responses without obstruction. This is when you begin to see the shift happening around you as your external world starts to mirror your internal state. Belief acts as the catalyst in the equation of universe communication. Without belief, even the clearest intentions might not fully manifest. Belief in the possibility that what you are asking for will come to fruition is what fuels the entire process. It bridges the gap between asking and receiving. Cultivating a strong belief system starts with overcoming doubts and reinforcing your trust in the universe's ability to respond. It involves affirming to yourself that the universe is indeed listening and that you are worthy of receiving its abundance. Practice this by reminding yourself of past instances when you felt the universe was guiding you or when unexpected positive outcomes affirmed your belief. Belief also means staying open to the possibilities of how your desires will manifest. It's about trusting the process and understanding that the universe might deliver in ways that are different from your exact specifications, but are ultimately what you need. This openness allows you to receive gifts in their true form and often leads to outcomes that are better than you initially imagined. By aligning with your true desires and solidifying your belief in the universe's response, you set the stage for a dynamic and responsive dialogue. This not only enhances your ability to manifest, but also strengthens your connection with the universe, making every interaction more profound and impactful. Letting go is perhaps one of the most challenging yet vital aspects of communicating with the universe. It involves releasing your attachment to the outcome of your desires. While it may seem counterintuitive, letting go is not about giving up on your wishes, but rather freeing them from the constraints of your expectations. This freedom allows the universe to work in the most effective way possible. The process of letting go starts with understanding that control is often an illusion. Trying to control every detail of how your desires manifest can create resistance that actually prevents the universe from delivering. Letting go means trusting that the universe has received your intentions and will act on them in the right timing and form. It's about moving from a state of making things happen to letting things happen. You can practice this by focusing on the present moment and engaging fully with life as it unfolds, rather than being preoccupied with future outcomes. This presence helps in reducing anxiety and builds trust in the universe's process, which is essential for effective communication. Gratitude magnifies the universe's ability to respond by aligning your energy with abundance and positivity. Expressing gratitude even before your desires have manifested sets a powerful frequency that the universe can respond to. It shifts your focus from what is lacking to what is abundant in your life, fostering more of the same. Begin each day by acknowledging something you are grateful for. This could be as simple as appreciating a sunny day or being thankful for a peaceful night's sleep. Expressing gratitude for the desires you have set intentions for, as if they have already manifested, reinforces your belief in their reality. This practice not only enhances your vibrational alignment with the universe, but also keeps you in a state of receptivity. Visualization is a potent method to communicate with the universe. It involves creating a vivid mental image of your desired outcome, imbuing it with details and emotions as if it is already happening. This practice not only reinforces your intentions, but also aligns your emotional and vibrational state to match what you wish to attract. To practice visualization effectively, find a quiet space where you can relax without interruptions. Close your eyes and construct a detailed scenario in your mind where your desires are being fulfilled. Focus on the sensations, the emotions, and the environment around you in this imagined reality. The more real it feels, the more potent it is. This process sends a strong signal to the universe, enhancing the clarity of what you wish to manifest. Engaging in visualization regularly can help cement these images and emotions in your subconscious, making them a natural part of your vibrational signature. This consistent practice ensures that you are continuously broadcasting a clear message to the universe about your intentions. Affirmations are positive, present tense statements that reinforce your intentions to the universe and yourself. They help in maintaining a positive mental outlook and ensure that your vibrational frequency remains high. By affirming your intentions, you declare your desires as existing realities, which helps to attract them into your life. To utilize affirmations effectively, start by choosing statements that resonate deeply with you and reflect your true desires. These affirmations should be positive, clear, and stated in the present tense, such as, "I am abundant in all aspects of my life," or "I am surrounded by love and everything is fine." Repeat these affirmations daily, preferably in the morning and before going to bed, to embed these beliefs in your mindset. Integrate affirmations into your daily routine by saying them out loud, writing them down, or meditating on them. This repetition not only helps in reinforcing your communication with the universe, but also builds an inner belief system that supports the manifestation of your desires. The concept of maintaining a high vibrational energy is fundamental in the law of attraction and universe communication. High vibrational energy aligns you more closely with the universe's frequency, facilitating a smoother and more effective exchange of intentions and manifestations. This energy is characterized by feelings of joy, love, gratitude, and peace. To maintain this high vibration, engage in activities that elevate your spirits and promote positive feelings. This could include listening to uplifting music, spending time in nature, or engaging in creative activities that you love. Additionally, practicing mindfulness and meditation can help clear your mind of negativity, fostering a positive mental environment. Regular physical activity and a healthy diet also contribute to a higher vibrational state by keeping your body energized and your mind clear. Surround yourself with positive people who uplift you and avoid situations that drain your energy. By consistently nurturing your vibrational state, you ensure that your communications with the universe are as clear and effective as possible. While much focus is placed on how to talk to the universe, equally important is learning how to listen. The universe communicates back to us through signs, synchronicities, and sometimes through the quiet intuition that nudges us in certain direction. Developing the ability to listen to these messages is crucial for understanding the responses to your intentions. To enhance your listening skills, practice regular meditation. Meditation quiets the mind and sharpens your focus, making you more attuned to subtle shifts and messages. Pay attention to your dreams and the feelings that arise during moments of quietude. These can often carry messages from the universe. Keep a journal of any signs or synchronicities you encounter. Over time, you may begin to see patterns or answers to the questions you've posed or the intentions you've set. Being open and receptive to these messages and acknowledging them strengthens your relationship with the universe, creating a deeper, more meaningful dialogue. Successfully communicating with the universe isn't just about occasional practices. It's about integrating these concepts into your daily life to create a constant, vibrant exchange. This integration means making the techniques of visualization, affirmation, maintaining high vibrations, and listening part of your everyday routine. Start by setting aside specific times each day for these practices. Morning can be ideal for visualization and affirmations to set a positive tone for the day. Throughout the day, take moments to consciously maintain your vibrational energy by acknowledging and savoring small joys and successes. Evening can be a time for reflection and meditation, allowing you to calm your mind and listen attentively to any messages the universe might be sending you through your thoughts and feelings. Consistency is key. The more regularly you engage in these practices, the more natural they will become, and the more open and receptive your communication channel with the universe will become. This consistency will help solidify your intentions and amplify your ability to attract what you seek. As you become more adept at communicating with the universe, it's important to reflect on the changes this has brought to your life. Take time to recognize and acknowledge the ways in which the universe has responded to your communications. Perhaps you've noticed more synchronicities, or maybe opportunities have begun to align more closely with your desires. Reflection not only reinforces the effectiveness of your practices, but also deepens your gratitude and appreciation for the universe's responses. This gratitude further enhances your vibrational frequency, strengthening your ongoing dialogue with the cosmos. Keep a journal of these reflections, noting each significant response or change. This documentation can serve as a powerful reminder of your journey and the capabilities you possess to shape your reality through dialogue with the universe. We reflect on the essence of what it means to talk to the universe correctly. This journey we've started on together in this video isn't just about learning to send out wishes or desires. It's about establishing a deep, resonant connection that transforms how we perceive ourselves and our place within the cosmos. Effective communication with the universe is not merely a skill, but a way of living that aligns us more closely with the forces that shape our reality. Maintaining and nurturing this connection with the universe requires ongoing commitment and adaptation. As you grow and your desires evolve, so too should your methods of communication. Continually refining your ability to visualize, affirm, let go, and listen ensures that your dialogue with the universe remains fresh and relevant. This dynamic relationship is not static. It is an ever-evolving process that adjusts as you do. To sustain this connection, remain curious and open to new insights and methods that can enhance your communicative abilities. Engage with resources that support your spiritual growth. Share your experiences and learn from others, as this exchange can provide new perspectives and deepen your understanding. Looking forward, take what you have learned and continue to apply it in more areas of your life. Consider how these principles can affect your relationships, career, and personal growth. The skills you develop in communicating with the universe are universally applicable, helping you to create a more harmonious life aligned with your deepest values and aspirations. Reflect regularly on your progress and set new intentions as your goals and circumstances change. This ongoing process is not just about achieving specific outcomes, but about continually evolving and adapting in harmony with the universe.